guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today we are going to be reviewing this pony from Irresistible Me. I'm going to show you how I put it on and installed it. So if you guys want to check out how I did this hairstyle, and then keep on watching. But before we get started, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys. Guys, I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sophia, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's going to be another hair review. Irresistible Me sent me hair before. They sent me their clip-ins. I'll leave a picture of me wearing my clip-ins from Irresistible Me, and I absolutely love it. Like, she's giving, she gave, she give, and I wear it all the time when I am at work. Absolutely love it. And they were kind enough to reach out to me again and sent me their ponytail. Today's video, we are going to try the ponytail clip-in hair extension. So I got the natural black in 20 inches. So this is the packaging right here. You guys know the deal with Irresistible Me packaging. Love the recycling packaging right here. And I like using this to store things as well, or to store back my hair when I am not using it. Because hair could get all over the place. It could get mixed up with other hair. If you are a girly that loves doing hair, clip-ins, wigs, extensions, weaves, whatever the case may be, ponies, it makes everything look nice and well organized, you know what I mean? This is their try me part. So I like this, that instead of opening the whole packaging, you could just take this off. They give you a strand test, which I like, to see if the hair will match with your hair. So my hair is naturally dark. I do not color my hair. This is their strand test right here. And obviously, it's a good match. And we're taking out the hair. I wonder how this is going to be like. Oh, I like how it comes in a satin case or a satin bag. This is the pony. Let's see how this works. Ooh, this is nice and long. This came perfectly in time because we are in summer mode right now. And sometimes you just want to put your hair up. And sometimes, like, you know, my natural hair, like, my ponytail is not giving. So I feel like, you know, my ponytail will give. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so like I said, this is 20 inches. This is natural black. My clip-ins was also a natural black in the video. I will link that video down in the description box down below if you guys haven't seen that review. But if you guys want to check it out, watch this video and then go check it out, or watch that video and then come back. Definitely. But Irresistible Me, they never fail with their stuff, so I like that. This is the pony. Right here, it comes with a clip right here that you will clip into your pony, and then you have a head tie to tie. So the pony's gonna be secure. I'm kind of excited. You know something, I never had a pony like this. You know, a girl, I be doing like the beauty supply ponies, and you know, this is a little bit on the sophisticated side. I like this concept. I really do, because I never had a pony with strings like this. You know what I mean? So let me put this to the side. I'm going to shut up. Let me take a sip of my club soda. My natural hair is out. We are going to style my hair. So I'm not going to talk in this portion of the video. I'm just gonna put my hair in a slick back pony. I like to do a center part with my hair, so that's what we're gonna do. So let me do what I have to do and slay my edges. Okay, so let's go.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too.
Okay, so I put my hair in a pony. I probably have to lay it down a little bit because some parts of my hair in the front is lifting. And I just want the gel to set in my hair. Right now I'm going in with my edge booster. And I'm kind of just smoothing all of my, flyaways, if I have any. Sorry, my phone fell. Smoothing out all of my flyaways. Like this side is like flaring up. So I'm gonna run and get like a head tie so I could flatten it out a little bit more. So I got my head tie. So I'm just going to flat everything. Now, perfect. I'm gonna wrap my little pony because I don't want my pony to show in the hair. So I'm just going to cut it up like so. I'm gonna take a scrunchie. So now that my hair is tucked, we're gonna go in with this pony. No shedding, which I like. So it has a clip right here, and I'm gonna put it right in the center of my ponytail of my natural ponytail. Make sure that it's snug. Perfect. Now that it's attached, there's 2 strings. I'm just going to tie it up to secure it like that. Nice. Okay, so now that it's tied, I'm taking bobby pins to secure the string and to tuck it into the hair. Because I don't want any string, the 2 black strings, I don't want it to show. Perfect. Now I'm gonna be taking a strand of hair just to make the pony a little more natural, just to cover any that track, you know? Perfect. Then we're gonna take another bobby pin and we're going to secure it. This is so cute. So freaking cute. Okay, so let me take this off. Normally I would keep this longer, but for the sake of the video, I'm taking this off. Like, I'll probably leave this on for like 45 minutes, you know, to an hour. The longer the better, but it's pretty much secure. Now, here's the pony. You could stop here if you want, or I could stop here if I want, but a girl wants to do a little baby hair, so we're gonna do that. So I'm taking the edge booster. That's the only thing that works for my baby hair. A lot of people ask in the comments, am I natural? Yes, I am. A no perm baby girl. I'm a straight hair natural. I don't like a lot of baby hairs, but I like using the comb because it kind of just guides you into the perfect baby hair. So first I do the brush and then I go over it with a comb because the comb kind of just gives you like the best baby hair. So this is the pony. Love it, perfect for the summer. And it's so easy to put on. This is the length 20. Super, super nice. Love it. You could braid it up if you want. I really, really like this. I really, really like this. This is super easy to do. Like, you really cannot mess this up. This is like a really easy pony. This is like a summer hairstyle, girls, okay? Wearing extensions and wigs in the hotness of outside, it gets a lot. It gets a lot. Like, look at this. I could see myself wearing a white dress with this, you know? Let me get up so you guys can see how it looks like a full 360 reveal of the pony so you guys can have an idea. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how it is. Like I said, I tucked my actual hair because I didn't want to see my natural hair in the ponytail. I want it just all pony. So if you guys have short hair like me or shoulder length hair, definitely tie it up so you don't have any natural hair peeking through the pony. That's my tip for you. Wrap a piece of hair around just to conceal the weft of it and the string, and that's pretty much it. It was super easy. Like, yeah, this is really, really nice. Next time I wear this, honestly, I feel like I want to put it really high. I want to see how that looks like. I'll probably play around with this. Try it. Let me know how you guys like it. I do have a discount code. It is I'm_SophiaRosely to get 10% off. I'll leave the discount code in the screen, or you could go in my description box down below and a link to the website will be down below, so you guys can purchase anything from the website, whether it is clip-ins that I previously reviewed, which I absolutely love, or the ponytail extension. And girlfriend, this is what we doing summer 2024, okay? There's not gonna be any hair in our faces, okay? It's gonna be slick back ponies, okay? Irresistible me never fails. Never fails, okay? Period. Never fails, never. So let me know if you guys ever try Irresistible Me hair. Leave it down in the comments. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle. It is super easy. Girl, I didn't even break a sweat. You really cannot mess up on this. Really, you really cannot. So, you know, like, I'm really feeling myself. I'm like, hey, hi guys. How are you? Like, I'm gonna wear this to work. Yes, I'm really, really feeling this. This is really cute or whatever. So, yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I will see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.